This is Zichru Simanim Gemara Baba Basra Daf Kuf Yud Gimel, and Kuf Yud Gimel. The siman is going to be, read that backward, and you're going to get not a kig but a geek. So the siman for Kuf Yud Gimel is going to be a geek, as you see this geeky kid sitting here in the corner holding a book all about Dinei Yerusha, and the 3 points are going to center around a letter that the geeky son writes to his mother. Number one, about the fact that the father does not get the potential, that which is muhsik. He only gets that which is muhsik, not that which is roi. The letter that he's going to write to his sister, signed by the geeky brother, that their sons are going to come before the daughters. And finally, the geeky son witnessing the Bezdin, as you see here, the daytime shining in, showing us that the din of Yerusha only happens like all dinim by day and not by night. So let's take a moment, let's go a drop deeper. Number one, we said the letter that the geeky son, Daf Kuf Yud Gimel, the geek, the letter he's writing to his mother. And the letter is regarding that Abba, that his father, her husband, does not get biroi kibim muchsik. He only gets that which is muchsik, only that which he has, and not the potential assets, not that which he stands to inherit. There are two psukim quoted. The first pasuk the Gemara concludes is inconclusive, because maybe Yair got it from his wife, not his mother. The second pasuk is conclusive, because in as much as one might think that Pinchas received the fields through a cherem, the fact that there's an actual word binai teaches us nachla haruyalai v'yarsha binai. The second point was the geeky sons, the Gaf Kuf Yud Gimel, the geek, the son that he writes to his sister, telling her that your sons come before your daughters. The sons come before daughters as well when it comes to inheriting the mother's brother's estate, the mother's brothers, the uncles. We've already learned that the sons come before the daughters in other areas. And in reality, says the Gemara, that's the drasha of Vayire Ishmakish Yerusha Shniya, the Yerusha Rishaina. Just like the first Yerusha, we know when one's children inherit them directly, the son comes before the daughter, so too, by the Yerusha Shaniya, the son comes before the daughter. And the third point was the son, the geeky son, Daf Kuf Yud Gimel, watching Bezdin executing a will. It has to be done by day, like all Dinei Torah. V'haya b'yayim and chilu esbanav, says the pasuk, on the day that he bequeaths to his son. And from there we learn out b'yayim. On the Yom it gives over, not to Balayla. The Gemara asks, what? If someone dies by day, you get a Yerusha, but not by night. Answers the Gemara, means the din nachalais that the whole parsha is like din, and we learn out that when someone comes to visit a chayla and they want to ratza din, ratza kaisin, ratza din, says Rav Chisda, it's only going to be if the instructions were given by day. So we have the picture of the geeky son as he's watching a din Torah. The third point, which of course is only by day, a letter that he writes to his mother, that the father Abba only gets that which is muhsik and not that which is roi, does not get the potential. And as well, the letter that he writes to his sister, that her sons are going to come before the daughters. Tav Kuf Yud Gimel, the geeky son teaching us a letter of roi is only not gotten by the father, only muhsik, that the sons come before the daughters or by the sister. And as well, that the Dinei Torah of Anachala, as he watches this Din Torah, only happens by day, like all Dinei Nachalois.